Sewell Gear is located at 705 Raymond Avenue in St. Paul, Minnesota. Sewell Gear is a two-story building offering creative office space in the Raymond University corridor. The property is 41,734 square feet and consists of 4 buildings that are all connected on the lower level. The lower level offers 35,134 square feet, and the upper level is 6,600 square feet of creative office space. Built in 1925, Wellington Management purchased the property in April of 2011 and immediately performed a $2.5 million renovation. Sewell Gear has an abundance of new windows and also a new mechanical and electrical system. The corner of University and Raymond is turning into a real creative corner, and Sewell Gear lies 1 block south of the intersection and a light rail station. The Midway neighborhood is known as active, family-friendly, and full of amenities. Numerous civic groups address local issues from urban greening to engaging youth and elders. Shops, parks, recreation centers, restaurants, and a library are right in the neighborhood, making it easy for residents to walk and bike to local destinations. The property features excellent access to downtown Minneapolis, St. Paul, and adjacent suburbs. Sewell Gear is strategically located with easy access to Interstate 94 and Highway 280. Wellington Management provides all leasing and property management services. For more leasing information, contact Wellington Management today.